If I ask you what is the similarity between a sugar grain and a diamond, maybe you will say that both of these are lustrous. And what if I ask you the similarity between a diamond and a graphite? Graphite is just this piece of black stone which is used in laboratories. Maybe you'll think that there is no similarity. But is there really no similarity between these two? The answer is going to surprise you. There is something common between all these three things. I'm referring to the element that they are made up of. I'm referring to carbon. But wait a second. Are we literally saying that the sugar, the radiant diamond, the graphite all are made up of same element carbon? Absolutely. In fact, diamond and graphite are almost pure forms of carbon. They are made up of majorly carbon with few minuscule elements of impurities. But how can there be so much of difference in the appearance of the materials which are made up of the same element? How can it be possible that the substances made up of the same element, carbon, appear totally different? And wait, they also have different chemical properties. The looks are different, the chemical properties are different, but they are made up of the same element, carbon. Is this some kind of magic? Well, the magic lies in the element itself, carbon. The element carbon has several interesting properties. Uh, that's what makes it so special. It is capable of forming bonds with most of the elements. That is the reason why carbon compounds are quite commonly found everywhere around us. But did you know that carbon is actually present in very small quantities in the Earth's crust and it's also present in the atmosphere? That's the irony. In spite of being present in almost every compound around us, carbon accounts for almost less than 1% of Earth's crust and in the atmosphere. Quite surprising, isn't it? But have you ever wondered what makes carbon so unique? What gives it the carbon capability to have so many different properties? Let me give you a hint. Can you tell me what are the chemical properties of elements based on? Yes, they are mainly based upon the atomic number, right? The atomic number is the number of protons in the atom. And why is it so? Because the number of protons in an atom is equal to the number of electrons, right? And the valence electrons appear to be precise, are the ones that participate in the chemical reactions. So, is the number of electrons in the outermost orbital our answer? Absolutely. The chemical properties of the element are based upon the number of electrons present in the outermost orbit. We know that the atomic number of carbon is 6. That means the configuration of carbon is 2 and 4, right? Let me ask you a question. Look at the atomic structure of the carbon. To achieve stability, carbon will take 4 electrons or it will donate 4 electrons. Well, the simplest way to achieve the octet is by sharing the electrons. That gives us answer to so many queries that we'll be resolving ahead. Yes, the fact that carbon can share its outermost shell with any other element is the thing that gives it the capability